Alright, so I brought this block down from its original 4 inches to approximately 2 inches at this level. This piece is originally 4 inches by, I think, 8. Yes, by, I believe, 11 and a half. Yes. So 11 and a half by 8 by 4 in depth. The reason I brought these down is because this is the most prominent and further forward piece there is. This one will have approximately the same height at one point, probably, I think, at the very tip here and here, of approximately 4 inches. This will be pared down, and so will the cloak, but I needed some room to work with, so having used a tool called an auto mock, which is a bulk removal tool, I was able to bring the face way back, the back rim way back, and most of the things that surround the axe way back as well. Now I can begin paring down the sides of the cloak and also starting to form the actual axe. So I will start on that now.